The Curtis Falls Walk is a short yet scenic hike in Tamborine National Park, Queensland. The name Curtis Falls honors Sydney Curtis, a Tamborine Shire councillor who, alongside Joseph Delprat, advocated for the preservation of the area's natural beauty. This 1.5 kilometers return trail takes you through lush subtropical rainforest, home to towering eucalyptus trees, ferns, and strangler figs. The well-maintained track leads to a viewing platform overlooking the beautiful Curtis Falls, which cascade into a serene rock pool below. Along the way, hikers might spot native wildlife such as brush turkeys, pademelons, and even glowworms in damp, shaded areas near the falls. The walk is relatively easy, making it suitable for all fitness levels, though it can be slippery after rain. Curtis Falls is a popular spot for nature lovers, offering a peaceful escape with the soothing sounds of cascading water and birdsong. Swimming is not allowed to protect the fragile ecosystem, but the tranquil surroundings make it a perfect place to relax and enjoy the beauty of Tamborine Mountain. The falls are particularly stunning after rainfall, when the water flow is more robust, creating a mesmerizing natural spectacle. At night, the area near Curtis Falls becomes illuminated by glowworms, offering a magical experience for visitors who venture out after dark. Thanks for watching. See you on the next trail.